Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to buy and sell stocks. First, open a Demat account and trading account. You need two accounts. First, Demat account stores you share electronically. Trade account allow you to buy and sell shares. Open the account with a registered broker, for example like a Zerodha, Upsox, Grow, Angel One, ICICI Directs, so on. Second, complete KYC verification. Plus, first submit document, PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account details, a selfie video for identity verification. Third, found your trading account. Transfer money from bank account to trading account using UPI, net banking or IMPS. Fourth, choose stock to buy. Use fundamental analytics, company earning, debt, industry. Technical analytics, price charts, indicator like RSI, MACD. Researches on platform like Money Control, Screener or Yahoo Finance. Fifth, place a buy order. Types of order: market order, buy a current market price. Limit order, buy only your specified price. Stop loss order, protect you from losses if you drop. Example, buy 10 share of TCS at 3600 per share. 6. Stock allotment and Demat credit. Once the order is matched, share are credited to Demat account. You officially own the stock. 7. Monitor your investment. Track the price, news, company performance. Use stock trading apps or broker mobile platform. 8. Selling the stocks. Go to your trading platform, place sell. Once execute the fund of credit to your account. Bonus tip: start small, the blue chip stocks, ETFs. Don't panic during short-term market movement. Keep learning and stay updated with market trends. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.